In our logo, you will see our friend Owlbert the owl. Owlbert is a Boo Book owl and he is an important icon here at Sesame Lane. He has a very big personality. Owlbert represents each one of our educators who are passionate about young children's wellbeing and education. Owlbert's vision is to create happy, healthy learners by ensuring each child's learning journey down Sesame Lane is filled with educational experiences and fun. Owlbert strives to instill a love of learning in children that will last a lifetime. Owlbert's face is in the shape of a heart because we are dedicated to care. Owlbert wears a graduation cap because we are educators and teachers. Owlbert's wings are ready to fly and grow through engaging experiences. The waves on Owlbert's belly and the sunshine in his eyes represents our local focus in the Moreton Bay region.